Hello, boys and girls. These are our math practice pages, and we are going to work out these problems. Now, I'm going to use these counters here to help us to work out these problems, okay? So, let's look at this first pair. 4 minus 0. How many counters do I need to bring down to begin with? What number am I starting with right here? I am beginning with 4 of them. So I'm going to have 4 counters to begin with. Minus 0. How many counters am I taking away? I'm not taking away any, am I? Because it says I'm taking away 0. 0 means none. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 counters left. So you need to write a 4 right here. Now I'm beginning this problem with 4 counters. Minus 1. How many am I taking away? I'm taking away 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, here it says I need 4 counters to begin with. So I'm putting my 4 there to begin with. Minus, how many am I taking away now? I'm taking away 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, let's get our 4 counters back, because right here we need to begin with 4. This time, how many are we taking away? 4 minus 3. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? We have 1 left. Now, what do you notice about these problems? As these numbers go up, 0, 1, 2, 3, our answers go down. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is our pattern we are looking for. Make sure you have this written on your paper, because I'm going to erase it. Okay, here is our next paper, our next page we're going to do. Look here at the butterflies. Put your finger on the butterflies. Let's look here at the top. They started with 3 minus, how many did they mark out? They marked out 1. 3 minus 1 equals, how many are left? 1, 2. 2 are left over. Let's look at this one. They started out with 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus, how many did they mark out this time? They marked out 2. 3 minus 2 equals, how many do they have left? They have 1 left. Look at the last group of butterflies here. They started out with 3. How many did they mark out? They took away all 3. 3 minus 3 equals, how many are left over that's not marked out? 0, none, because they are all marked out. Let's look down here at the dragonflies. We have 1 dragonfly we started with, minus, how many dragonflies did they mark out? They didn't mark any out. 1 minus 0 equals, how many are left? 1. Now look down here at this one. We began with 1 butterfly minus, how many did they mark out? Again, they didn't mark out any, did they? None of them are marked out here. 1 minus 0, how many are left? Is 1. Look down here. 1 minus 0 is always what? 1. Now up here, they took some away. They took away 1, and then 2, and 3. As they took more away, the answers went down by 1. There was 1 less than there was before. Make sure you have this written on your page because I'm going to erase it and we'll go to the next one. Look up here at the top. We're going to make patterns with how many we take away. They took away both of them to begin with, all of the flowers to begin with. So they took away 2. If we're taking away less, 2. What number comes before 2? 1 and 0, right? 2. How many did they take away here? They took away all 2. And how many are remaining? 0. Here, we decided to only take away 1 because we're trying to make a pattern. 2 minus 1 equals, how many are left over? 1. And here, to finish our pattern, we didn't take away any. 2 minus 0. 2 minus none equals, how many are left over? 2. Now, down here at the bottom, this is getting a little tricky. Remember how in our visual learning, if we know one subtraction problem, we know another one. Remember how they switched these two numbers? So 10 minus 6 equals 4. What do you think 10 minus 4 would equal? 6. Those two numbers just switch. The first number stays the same, the last two can switch. If 5 minus 1 equals 4, 5 minus 1 equals 1. The 1 moved here, the 4 can move right over here. 5 minus 4 equals 1. See how the 6 moved here and this 4 moved here? Okay, thank you for doing math with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.